Dear students, in today's class, it is chapter Jug and Mug. In many classes, many classes, we learn about milliliter and conversion into liter and then liter into milliliter. So all of you know how many milliliter are there in 1 liter? There are 1000 milliliter in 1 liter, and in 1 liter there are 1000 milliliter. Now in today's part, it is complete it. Now what we have to do? We have to complete this. So see, in this box, it is one box here, and in this box, it is 1 liter. It is 1 liter, and now there are so many parts are here. Okay, this is 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, 4, 5, 6 part. Once again, I will count it: 1 part, 2 part, 3 part, then 4, 5, 6, 7, and 8 part are there. 8 different part are there. And in each part, number of boxes are different. In some box there are only 2 boxes. In some part there are 3 boxes, and in some part there are 4 boxes. Okay. Now we have to make them equal to 1 liter. अब हमें उनको क्या करना है बेटा? 1 लीटर के इक्वल बनाना है. तो आइए we will discuss about all this part one by one. We will discuss here. So see, let's see. First one, it is first part. See, this is first part. Now, how many boxes are there, beta? There are 2 boxes, and one of them it is given 500 milliliter. क्या दिया होगा यहाँ पर देखिए? 500 milliliter दिया है. Now one more box is left here, और एक बॉक्स जो है वो बचा हुआ है. तो हमें क्या करना है? Now this measurement plus we have to put some measurement here, and sum of these 2 measurements should be what? It should be equal to 1000 milliliter. तो हमें क्या करना है? 1000 बनाना है बेटा. See, it is 500, then plus any other measurement और कुछ दूसरा measurement लेना है, it will be equal to 1000. So what we have to write here? See, it is 500, then it is what? 500. So 500 plus 500 what होगा? What will happen if you will add these 2 measurements? So it will be equal to, see, 500, then plus 500 is equal to 20 मिनट रुकना पड़ेगा, 10-20 मिनट. अब मुझे देखना पड़ेगा ना, ठीक है? हाँ, 10-15 मिनट. तो सी, इट इज 500 प्लस 500 क्या होगा यहाँ पर? इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1000. It equal to 1000. Then see, so this way, this 1000 milliliter means it is equal to 1 liter. It is equal to 1 liter. So this way we complete this part 1. Now come to part 2. Come to part 2. This is part 2, beta. Now what? How many boxes are here? See, 1, 2, and 3 boxes are here. Now we have to complete this box, and then we have to find out the sum of measurement given in 3 box. It should be equal to 1 liter. हमें ये देखना है क्या इन तीनों बॉक्स में जो मेजरमेंट दिया होगा उस मेजरमेंट का एडिशन इज इक्वल टू 1 लीटर है क्या नहीं, हमें ये चेक करना होगा. तो आइए हम चेक करते हैं अभी. सी, इट इज 250 ml. देन व्हाट वी हैव टू राइट इन दिस 2 बॉक्सेस. तो हमें इन 2 बॉक्सेस में क्या लिखना होगा बेटा? तो आइए, इफ यू विल राइट दिस 150, 250, 250. And then if I write here 500, it is 500 ml. Now check here, it is 500, it is 250, it is 250. 500, 250, 250. I am check करते हैं इसको भी. See, it is 0, then it is 5 plus 5, 10, carry 1, 5 plus 1, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. So it is equal to 1000. It is equal to 1000. See, it is 500, 250, 250 is equal to 1000, then it is equal to 1000 ml, means it is equal to 1 liter ml. Okay, sorry, it is equal to 1 liter. Now part number 3. See, this is part 3. In this part there are only 2 boxes, and in one box it is given 350. It is 350, and now plus we have to write here some measurement, and addition of these 2 measurement, it should be equal to 1 liter. So how many milliliter we have to add in 350 ml to make it equal 1 liter? तो बच्चों हमें ये जो 350 ml दिया है, इस 350 ml में हमें कितना मेजरमेंट और ऐड करना पड़ेगा, मिलीलीटर ऐड करना पड़ेगा, देन इट विल बी इक्वल टू 1 लीटर मींस 1000 मिलीलीटर. आइए अगर हम इसमें 100 ऐड करते हैं तो क्या होगा, इट विल बी 450. नो, इफ यू विल ऐड 200 then it will be 550. If you will add 300 it will be 650. If you add here 400 it will be 750. If you add here 500 it will be 850. If you will add here it will be what, 950. 950 होगा देखिए. But if you will add here 7 it will be 1050. Then it will be more than 1 liter. more than 1 liter होगा. So ये 700 नहीं चलेगा बेटा और 600 भी नहीं चलेगा. तो ट्राई टू ऐड इन बिटवीन 650 को देखते चेक करके हम 650 ml चेक करते हैं. सो इट इज 0, 5 plus 5 10, कैरी 1, 6 plus 3 9 plus 1 10. So it is equal to 1000. So see, it is 650 ml. It is 650 ml. Okay. तो बेटा 650 ml plus 350 ml, now it is equal to 1000 milliliter and 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. Now next 1 liter. See, it is 600 ml plus what? 600 ml plus what? So it is, see, it is 600 ml plus what? So how many ml we have to add? It is 1, that will be 7. So if you add 2 here, it will be 800. If you add 3 here, it will be 900. And if you add 4 here, it will be 10. It is 1000. It is 1000. So see, we have to add here 400 ml. 400 ml. Okay. See, 1 liter, it is 600 ml per 400 ml is equal to 1 liter. Now next, see, in this part, there are 3 boxes are there, and out of these 3 boxes, only in 1 box is filled up here, already filled. It is 400 ml. Now we have to complete these 2 boxes to make it equal to 1 liter. So see, you can write different measurement here. If I will write 300 ml, अगर मैंने यहाँ पर 300 लिख दिया बेटा, तो क्या होगा? See, 400 plus 300 is equal to, it will be 700, and now again we have to write here 300. Then देखिए 700 plus 300, 4 plus 3 7, 7 plus 3 1000. 1000 means 1000 and 1000 means 1 liter. So this way also we can finish. We can fill this, and not only this way, there are other way also that we can fill. See, और भी कुछ तरीके, दूसरे तरीके यहाँ पर देखिए, और भी कुछ दूसरे तरीके. It is 400 ml. Now it is 500 ml. It is 100 ml. Okay. It is 100 ml. See, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 1 10. Then it is equal to 1 liter. It is equal to 1 liter. Okay. Now come to this part. 1 liter. It is 150 plus blank blank blank. Okay. क्या करेंगे बेटा यहाँ पर अभी? So see, you can take like this. 250 ml लिया हमने बेटा यहाँ पर. See, it is 150 plus 250 कितना होगा? It will be equal to 400 हुआ ये. Now see, it is 200. 4 plus 4 800 हुआ. Then it will be 200. 8 plus 2 1000. Then it will be equal to 1000. आइए चेक करते हैं. It is 150, 250, 400, 200. Okay. See, it is 0. 5 plus 5 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4, 4 plus 2 8, 8 plus 2 10. It is equal to 1000. It is equal to 1000. See, it is 150, then 250, then 400 and 200. Okay. So it is equal to, next, see, it is 250 ml is equal to 1 liter. Now 1 liter. Now here 3 boxes are here. 1, 2, 3. In 1 box it is 250 ml. See, it is 250 ml. Now plus 1 equal to हमें 100 ml करना है यहाँ पर. Sorry, 1000 ml करना है. 1000 ml करना है. तो see, if I will write here 500 ml. अगर मैंने यहाँ लिख दिया बेटा 500, तो क्या होगा इसमें? देखिए 500. Then it will be 0, 5 और ये 7. Now we have to add some measurement, some more milliliter to make it 750 plus some milliliter to make it equal 1000. So how many milliliter we have to add this 750? Again we have to add here 250 ml. Then only sum of these three will be equal to 1000 and then it will be 1 liter. It will be what? 1 liter. Okay? Now see, 250, 500, 250. Yes? So this way we can complete this one. Yes, now see, it is last part 300 ml. 300 ml plus this. 300 ml plus this, what? So 300 are there and only two boxes are there. So 300 plus how many milliliter equal to 1000 means 1 liter. So here we have to write कि 300 है, 300 में अगर 100 ऐड किया तो 4 होगा बेटा. 200 ऐड करेंगे तो it will be 500. अगर 300 ऐड करेंगे तो it will be 6. If you add 400 it will be 7. Then it will be, if you add 500 it will be 800. If you add 600 it will be 9. And if you add 7 it will be 10. So it will be 10. So what we have to write here? Now see, we have to write here 700 ml. Okay? 700 ml. Then see, 700 ml plus 300 ml is equal to 1000 milliliter and this 1000 milliliter equal to 1 liter. So this way today we finish this, complete this part to make it equal to 1 liter.